So for experiment number second part is nothing but the load regulation, where we vary the RL, that is load, and put a input voltage is constant, that is we are putting here 5.1 or 5 volt as a constant. This is nothing but the output voltage, and this is nothing but the load current, and this pot is nothing but the, that is variable pot connected at the output, and that means this is act as a load. So by varying this load, we have to vary the load current, and we have to see the effect of this load current on the output voltage, which is shown in this multimeter. For input voltage is constant, it is equals to 5.1 volt or nearer to 5 volts. So let us start with this. So here we have to take first reading at 1 milliampere. So for 1 milliampere we are getting output voltage is equals to 1.94 volt. Then we are again increasing the load current, it is nearer to 5 milliampere. So by varying pot to 5 milliampere, we are getting 5. So for 5 milliampere, 5. Slow. So for 5 milliampere, we are getting 1.90. So we just note down here for 5 milliampere. Here we are getting 1.89 as an 89 volt as an output voltage. So I note down for 1 milliampere we are getting 1.94, and for 5 milliampere we are getting 1.89. Now next reading will be taken at 7 milliampere. For 7 milliampere, so this reading is an 7 milliampere, that is load current is reaches to 7 milliampere. So for that we are getting nearer to, so it will take some time to make constant current. So we are getting nearer to again 1.89 as an output voltage. Next reading will be taken at 10 milliampere. So you see here the input voltage must be a constant, that is 5.1 only. So for 10 milliampere again we are getting 1.84 as an 1.84 volt as an output voltage. So for next reading will be taken at 12 milliampere. We are getting 1.91 volt. Now next reading will be taken at, last reading it at 15 milliampere. So 14 milliampere. Slowly. You see our input voltage is 5.1 constant. Okay. Slow for 15 milliampere. Okay, this is what 16, 17, 15 nearer to 1.90 volt. So if you observe the observation table for load regulation, that is we are varying the load and V in as constant as 5.1 or 5 volt, and we are taking this reading. Similarly here also we can find the load regulation. For load regulation we have to take any 2 point, that is 7 milliampere and 10 milliampere. We have to find the difference between these, that is maximum value to minimum value. That is as we are find the line regulation, that is del VO by del VI multiplied by 100. Similarly here we can calculate the load regulation also as the line regulation, that is change in the output voltage to the change in the load voltage, change in the load voltage to the change in the input voltage and multiplied by 100, that is nothing but the load regulation. So this is what the second experiment, that is complete second experiment, that is nothing but the IC 741.
7 to 3.
7 to 3. Thank you very much.